What is up, YouTube? We are in peak Apple season right now, and that means that we're trying all the new accessories alongside the phone. Right now, I've got the MagSafe Charger. That's why you clicked on this video most likely, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys and give you a quick first impressions of it. So without further ado, subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Let's get started. Starting off with the front side of the box, you can see right away you have the minimalist Apple packaging. You can see the MagSafe Charger on the front. Going to the back side, you can see that there is a USB-C requirement. At the bottom, you can see an image of an iPhone with a 20-watt charging brick required. And that's pretty much it in terms of the box. Moving past this, we're gonna remove that beautiful content seal. So satisfying. Anyway, once you open the box, right away you're greeted by another smaller paper box. But before we look at that, we're gonna see what else is in here. As you can see, there's a bunch of instruction manuals with best practices, regulations, and compliance information. And that's pretty much it. I'll skip past this. Coming back to that small paper box, you can see right in front you have the "Designed in California" slogan by Apple. And of course, as soon as you open it, no time wasted, here it is, the MagSafe Charger. And wow, it does look premium, but that cable looks seriously short to me. Now, taking out that MagSafe adapter is fairly easy. It just slides right out. It has a fair bit of weight to it for sure. So as you can see, this is it. This is the MagSafe adapter. It is heavy, relatively speaking. It's also premium. The entire back is made of steel, or what appears to be steel. On the front side, you have the same rubber-like texture that you would find on the Apple Watch charger, which is kind of nice. This is obviously to make sure your phone doesn't scratch, and obviously that the phone can effectively draw electricity from the charger. Honestly speaking, the MagSafe charger is essentially just a bigger Apple Watch charger. So this is the MagSafe charger, and this is my older Apple Watch charger. Literally, they're the same thing. The front material is the same. Now, this is a more glossy finish. This is a more matte finish. However, honestly, you can tell that the design philosophy was borrowed straight from here ×3. Now, while the charger feels nice and premium, the cable I'm disappointed in, considering I paid $55 Canadian for this cable. A, it's super short. This is probably a meter long at most. And the second problem with this cable is that it's made of the same material that you find other iPhone cables are made of, and this might be subject to wear and tear in a couple of months. I was honestly hoping at $55 they would sell you a braided cable, but that's Apple for you. Another thing to note is that this is a USB-C cable. So what that basically means is that in order to use this, you need to make sure you have the newer 20-watt Apple charger. If you have the USB-A type charger, this is not compatible. So make sure you have that. You don't have to get a first-party one. You can always get third-party ones on Amazon. So you can save a couple of bucks there. So for any of you curious minds out there, yes, the MagSafe charger does technically wirelessly charge any other phone that has wireless charging capability, including older iPhones like the 11 Pro or any Android phone with that capability. However, phones without the MagSafe connection are actually weak magnetically. So if you attach the charger, your phone will fall or disconnect as soon as you turn it upside down, or if you make an aggressive motion. Lastly, no, you cannot charge your Apple Watch with the MagSafe charger. It just doesn't work. I tried it, so don't bother if you're getting it for that reason. So obviously, I am not privileged and I do not have the iPhone 12 Pro yet. I will have it on Friday and I'll make an unboxing video about that. I'll also be testing just how strong the magnetic connection of the iPhone 12 Pro is with the MagSafe charger. Stay tuned for that. As always, if you enjoyed my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and helping me grow. Thank you so much for your viewership. Soul of Tech, logging out.